Hey everyone, welcome back to the workshop. Today we're tackling one of the most common smartphone repairs, replacing a damaged iPhone 13 screen. I'm Mohammed and I'll guide you through the entire process step by step. Let's get that phone back to perfect condition. First, take a look at the damage. A broken screen can be frustrating, but it's totally fixable with the right tools. Before we begin, let's gather everything we need. Here is your essential toolkit for a successful repair. You'll need a Pentalobe P2 screwdriver for those tiny Apple screws and a standard Phillips 00 screwdriver. Grab a plastic spudger, some opening picks, and a suction cup. These are vital for safely removing the display. Lastly, have some non-magnetic tweezers, a heat source like an eye opener, and your new replacement screen ready. 3 critical safety notes. First, always power down your iPhone completely. Second, disconnect the battery immediately after opening. And third, work in a clean, static-free area. Now that we're safe and prepared, let's begin the disassembly. Apply heat along the edges for 2 minutes to soften the adhesive. This makes the opening process much smoother. Attach the suction cup near the bottom edge and gently pull while inserting a plastic pick. Work slowly around all sides. Lift the display like opening a book. Be careful not to strain the cables you'll see on the top right side. Use your screwdriver to remove the metal plates, then gently disconnect each cable with your plastic spudger. This is the delicate part. We need to transfer the TrueDepth camera, speaker, and sensors to the new screen. Handle the TrueDepth module with extreme care. It's very expensive to replace if damaged. Keep your screws organized. Clean the frame with isopropyl alcohol and apply new adhesive strips to ensure a water-resistant seal. Connect the display cables in reverse order. Secure the plates with screws, then carefully snap the display into place. Power it on. Now test the touch response, Face ID, and display colors. Everything should be looking and feeling brand new. Remember, quality parts matter for a long-lasting repair. Check the description for our recommended suppliers and more guides. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more repair guides. Stay safe and happy repairing from the team here. Budget Computers Rotorua will not be responsible for any damage during DIY attempts. Call us for a free quote or visit us today.